One of the most underused features of Google Analytics is the word cloud. Word cloud is basically just a simple visualization. It displays words based on their stats. So basically, it means that higher the stats, bigger the words. The problem here is that it will only show a single metric. It will not show many metrics together. So this is more important when you want to visualize data on a larger perspective. This feature is available only for certain metrics and dimensions. So let's see how to set this up. Okay, so first we'll go to Search Console, go to Acquisition, go to Search Console, go to Queries. Click on Queries. Then it will appear like this. So these are all the keywords. So now to click on word cloud, you just need to come here. You see these different tables which are here. Click on the second last one, which is term cloud. So click on it. It will change all these search queries into word cloud. Then they have options of the different metrics available, which is clicks, impressions, CTR, and average position. So these are all stats from Search Console. So when you look at it and a from small date range, it's very easy to say it's not important and all. But when you look at it at a larger date range with lot more data is involved, then it becomes important. So I will just show you. So currently, from 1st October to 28th October, there are around 25,253 keywords. So we cannot see all of them. So even if we want to say see 100 of them, so we click on 100 and it all loads here, but we cannot see them because they are all at different rows. So we want to have them all together into one single table, like, so we can all see them together. Then you click on word cloud. So we can see them all together, see. So you can also change the how many rows you want here. If you want 250, you can click on 250. So we'll see 250 different keywords together in one thing, and you don't have to scroll much. They are all here. So looking at this data based on the date range of 1st October to 28th October, and for clicks, you can say that Google Merchandise Store has got the highest number of clicks, and then followed by other keywords like Chrome Dino, Google T-shirt, YouTube merchandise, all those are there. So Google Merchandise Pro has got the highest clicks because the color is darker. So now let's go to impressions and see if the data is similar. So we'll go to impressions. See, the data is not similar here. We do not have Google Merchandise Store. Instead, we have other keywords like which had the most impression was sticker, Chrome Store, Chrome Dino, all those ones. Okay, so then we will go to the next one, which is CTR. And here the data is even also different. We see a lot of keywords which have very similar stats. There is no main one which has a high CTR. Okay, so similarly, how we have done this for Search Console, let's do this for channels. Okay, so we'll go to acquisition, go to all traffic, click on channels. So here we have the top 5 main channels. Then let's go to source medium. Okay, so we have around 6 source medium here for the date range of 1st to 28th October. Let's go for 6 months back. 6, so we'll take it from May. Okay, so when we take it from May to 28th October, we see around 12. So click here, go to 100. So we can see them all together here. Now if we want to compare them, okay, all together, so what we can do is we can go to word cloud, click on word cloud. So now we will be able to see all these stats together. Okay, then I will show you what I will do here. Now see, when it appears like this, you know that users direct has the most number of users. So now say for example we want to test this out based on maybe a different mobile devices. So what we'll do is go to segment, click on segment, then we will go with um, mm, mobile and mobile traffic, okay, and click apply. So now we can see the data for mobile and tablet traffic and mobile traffic. So come down, we can compare both of them. Okay, both of them have a common this thing, which is direct none. So if we go to the normal traffic, normal table, it will appear like this. So it becomes a little bit more difficult to compare when we have it in a table view. See, it appears like this, so it becomes a little bit more difficult to see when it's like this. You cannot compare it all together, no? Look like this, so you cannot make out which is mobile, which is traffic, which is highest. But when you go into word cloud, you can easily make out. You can that say for mobile, direct is the highest, both of them direct is highest. So like that, you can check other stats which also give it, like maybe if you go to referrals, for example, then we remove the different segments, we keep it as back again to all users. Yeah, so this has got very less referrals, so it would not make sense going to word cloud because there would be very few this thing. So like that, if you want to see different stats, you can check out things like maybe go to all traffic, then go to channels, go to your organic traffic. Currently organic traffic is there, search, but they are not many keywords for this account because this is a Google account. So once you have this, then maybe you can go to word cloud and see your different keywords, how they are performing, and you can choose stats like sessions, you can choose stats like transactions, you can choose everything like that. So it will tell you which keyword has got the most transactions, which keyword has got a high bounce rate, news users, all together you'll be able to easily see those. This word cloud also becomes important when you want to show to a client. So say for example you want to show to a client together stats all together to say like, you know, these keywords are performing well, these keywords have got the most transactions. We cannot show them a big table because it will be very huge. So what you can do is you can directly go here, then click on word cloud. So this would be a better thing. So you can directly show them this number of keywords has got so many clicks, and you can increase it to 500 also. It will show you a bigger stats. Yeah, so this maybe you can have a screenshot or something like this to show to them. Then you can compare it with impressions. Say that you know, this keywords have got the highest impressions, and but these ones have got the highest clicks. So we will need to work on improving, or maybe improving the CTR for the ones which have got the lower clicks but high impressions. So you can mix and match these different word count into different metrics and dimensions, and even use the segments. So if you have any questions regarding this word cloud, let me know. Thank you.